It is so shitty outside. I can't even see the end of the parking lot. We're on the 4th floor. It's fucking insane. We're gonna go out there. Some guy's driving. What a fucking idiot. Okay.
Wait.
We're about to go out there. I don't know if you can see me, but we're going out there. Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go!
Oh my god. Oh my god, that sucks. No, it's not. Oh my god. Oh my god! There's like a foot of snow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even look that way.
Leo, try to look at it.
What the fuck? Oh my god. This sucks. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so cold. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. There's people driving in this?
You guys are gonna go right now.
You guys are retarded.
I'm gonna record it out.
Oh my god. Don't even look into it.
No, you can't.
People. Yes, Jesse! He's gonna hit the curb. He just went over the curb. Go shit! Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god. I think I have to clean the lens.
Yeah, me too, Mike.
Oh, it just went down my back. Here, let's go to the parking lot over there that we can't see because it's too. Let's go.
I'll be back.
Okay, have fun. Give me drugs. Oh god.
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
There's a curb around here somewhere. I can tell. Oh my god. My feet are so wet because there's holes in my shoes.
You should have worn double sweater.
I should have worn double sweater. Oh my god. This is fucking insane. Oh my god. Okay, apparently there's a sidewalk here.
What if we fall in the lake?
Okay. There should be a sidewalk here. Oh, I know. Come on, you can do it, Erica. Yeah, it's painful looking into it. Okay. Almost there. My face is like blistered. Went down my throat. Oh. Oh my god. Look at this, like, look at all the snow here. Look at this guy's car, he's never gonna be able to leave. This guy won't be able to leave. Oh my god. I can't even, oh my god. No wonder school's canceled. Fucking shit, man.
They say they never cancel.
Yeah, and they never say they cancel. Oh. My hand is like frozen, dude. Oh. Yeah, there's snow on there. Shit.
You can't see anything over there.
I know. There's another dorm over there, but you can't see it. You can really see the dorm in front of us. That's where we live. We just walked. Not even that far. You can't fucking see it. Oh, shit. It hurt. It hit me in the face. Let's go back.
Yeah.
I kind of want to go inside. At least, like, Leo's in a fucking car. I'm out here with a fucking sweatshirt like an idiot. Oh my god, the wind is pushing me. I can't even see the sidewalk. Oh my god. Cool. Yeah. They're only in a Jeep and you can't see where you're going 10 feet in front of you.
Exactly. I hope they're okay.
I'm sure they're not okay. I mean, yeah, they're fine. Oh my god. My hand is freezing. I need to get inside.
You can see the other towers over there.
I know. You can see ours, you can see Grant, B, and C, but you can't see A or B. You can see a little bit of light, but that's it. How do you think my hands feel? I can't even feel my hand. I can feel my other hand because it's been in my sweatshirt, but that's it. And just the amount of snow. I just like fell in like a foot of snow.
Our footsteps are covered like really fast.
I know. It's fucking insane. Yeah, let's go inside. Oh, fuck. Oh, I can't even see the stairs.
Your face is red.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh my god, I bet my face is red after that. Damn. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sure I am. Is that funny? My berries are dying because it's so cold out.
Your hoodie is all full of snow. The hood.
Yeah, it is. Oh, okay.